This is Donnell Gaming, and we are making pigs in a blanket and other foods in this video. So, we're ripping up the bread.
The stuffing.
So, yeah, Mom, can you make sure buttons are on the left?
Yes, okay.
The left. Else it won't look right. Ruby,
Move that stuff so she can sit, please.
try not to show Ruby's lip.
Yeah.
Ruby. Oh, and
Put
that's
the
good.
bowl between you.
Bowl between you. No, like here. Put the bowl.
Okay.
That works.
Yep, there you go. And then rip it up into little tiny squares, guys,
Yep.
okay? This is going to turn into Thanksgiving stuffing.
Yep.
I have the best little bread rippers. They help me every year.
Yep.
It's kind of tradition.
I love helping Mom cook. If you can tell from the past 2 cooking videos we've made, I do not want to eat kidney beans.
Not made from actual kidneys.
Yeah. Jess isn't here because I think she's in Ohio.
She is in Las Vegas right now with Creon.
Okay.
Then they're going to Joshua Tree, California.
For a business trip, I think.
For a pleasure trip. Creon rented a house and they're going to spend the weekend there.
Hey, eat one piece.
Yes. Can we pause this and come back? Because it's going to take forever.
The bread has been had. Now, let's, do what we're doing. So, Mom, what do we need?
Crescent roll dough
Okay, crescent roll dough.
and little smokies.
Oh, hey, little smokies. Smoking is bad, kids. You don't want to become a robot.
Yes, but they smoke the meat. They smoke the
Yeah,
meat
I
to
know.
make it tastier and preserves it.
Yeah. I know barbecuing bad. You know?
Yeah.
Can I have some of that? Isn't it though?
It is dough.
Cold.
When you roll them up, they make the crescents, but we're going to mash it together and cut it differently because we're making pigs in blankets.
Okay.
I want to make more than 8 of them, so we're going to flatten the dough
Okay.
and cut it into strips.
Can you hold this one while I do this one? Mm-hmm. Get a good angle of it. If you can see it good on that, you can probably... Oh yes, the secret prophecy. There.
Okay.
I think that one's too long.
Okay. You go this way, that's fine too.
Yep.
Mash it together.
There's no Jess because she ain't here.
She's visiting Creon in Las Vegas today. Creon lives in Las Vegas.
Yeah. If you're wondering who Creon is, can you explain him?
Creon is Jesse's partner.
Yeah. Friend.
Life partner.
Yeah. Is any boyfriend doing too far?
Yeah, I guess you could call it that too.
Yeah.
Boyfriend. Alright, I need a sharp knife so I can get into the sausages.
Okay. Shut up. Also, here's a cherry pie that Mom made.
The apple's on the toaster.
The apple is on the toast. Oh yes, here's a nice apple pie with cheese. It looks like there's cheese on there.
Not cheese. This is crumb topping.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to cut into strips.
Okay.
About that fit.
Okay. Cheese and bars! We got the cereal. We're doing
Sausage first.
Yeah, we're doing sausage.
Oh, I need the cookie sheet. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Cookie sheet! I said sheet. I did not say what some of you might have thought I said. I did not. I might have said it weird,
Cookie sheet.
but I said sheet. You can assume what I'm talking about. Not gonna say it. This is a kid-friendly channel, and I'm way underage.
Yes.
I'm only 10.
Okay, so then you put the sausage.
Also, happy 2-month anniversary for this channel.
And then cut those strips in half.
Okay. Strips and strips and
All
strips.
you do is take a little sausage
Okay.
and put it down and kind of press the dough around it. Right?
Can we take turns making?
And then you put it on the cookie sheet.
Can you watch me do
Yeah.
it? You the slimy. There.
Okay.
Also, do you think hot dogs are sandwiches?
I don't know. That's tricky. Yeah, I guess it would
I'd
be.
consider it a sandwich.
Yeah, it's a type of sandwich.
Now, would you say pizza's a sandwich?
Oh man, no.
Yes.
No, I would agree that pizza is
Yes.
not a sandwich. Oh.
I agree that is. Would you call...
Okay, pick a different one, please. Use both hands.
There.
Okay, if it sticks out a little bit, it's all right.
There.
Pinch the dough together, Oscar.
How about I just let you do this?
Okay,
I'm sorry. I tried.
you did.
The slimy. So, with editing magic, I'm gonna cut back to this when we have all of them done. Okay? Okay, viewers?
Ciao.
Cut. The rolls are in the oven!
8 minutes.
Yep. Cook for 8 minutes. The rolls are done. I'm gonna eat, this. I'm gonna eat this one since I think this one was made by me. Looks like it was.
No, that one was made for me.
You have one too. I'm glad you're not nude.
She got dressed.
Yeah. Good. Why not slimy?
Oh yeah, cooked.
Now we're making chocolate rolls.
Chocolate roll.
Okay. More crescent roll dough.
Yep.
We made the pie
The fridge.
without you, Oscar.
I don't care.
And you missed the fun part about the pies.
I don't care.
Guess what it was? Putting stars on it. Look.
I don't care.
Okay. This time we're gonna leave them as triangles.
Okay. Triangles with chocolate inside.
Yep.
I got this idea from Cat in the Hat Christmas.
Yep.
Yeah.
One.
Let me go get the box for it. Also a bit of a house tour. Let me find it. Oh yes, it's here. Oh, not the live action Grinch. Wait, where was it? Oh, not this. It's somewhere. It's not the Smurfs. It's somewhere just where. Oh wait, is it this? Yes. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about Christmas. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Was great. So yeah, let me get out of here.
I want to eat some.
The triangles! Can I have them? This one.
Hold on.
Can I show you what brand of chocolate we're using?
We're using Baker's Corner. Came from
Yep.
Aldi.
And where did we get this delicious dough?
Also from Aldi.
Okay. A lot of Aldi.
Yep. They're good quality and good prices.
Yep.
So you take a few chocolate chips and put them up at the big end of the triangle. So put the chocolate chips into the big end of the triangle. You want to do it?
Yep. You can video us.
Make sure they go into the big end, guys.
Yeah, big the cat. I hate that guy.
No, I'm doing this one.
Okay, you can do it. I want to make a FNAF video later today. These really are good.
They're semi-sweet baking morsels, also known as chocolate chips.
Peanut butter chips are almost as good.
Peanut butter chips are also good. You'll see those featured in our upcoming video, which will be making peanut butter fudge.
I don't know when that's going to happen, but probably soon.
Yeah. Somewhere between here and Christmas, guys. We'll have that up for you.
I also want to make a peanut butter cookie video.
Oh, yeah. We keep running out of peanut butter before we can make the cookies.
I for all my lunches.
Yeah, you guys both eat peanut butter in your lunches.
Peanut butter sandwiches.
Yep. Oscar eats them toasted. Ruby eats them regular. No crust. Okay,
And
guys. I think
sometimes-
that's enough chocolate chips.
Yep, you gotta roll them up.
Make sure the chocolate chips stay inside.
Yep.
And roll it, and then put it over on the tray. That was
Can I roll one? I'm gonna roll one. Here, I'm trying to.
Can I eat a little dough?
No. Put it up for the walls now.
Hey, stop, Oscar.
You do that with one hand? Okay, put it on the tray.
I'm gonna video you two since, yeah. Doing them with one hand has proved me not having the best skill.
I had to learn how to do almost everything with one hand, Oscar. Do you know why?
Why?
When you were a baby, you wanted me to hold you all the time, and I still wanted to cook and make delicious food, so I just would hold you in one hand and use my other hand to cook.
Okay.
It's not as hard as you would think. You can adapt to it.
Ruby, what's your favorite food?
Pizza.
My favorite's pizza too. So diverse. And what's yours?
A lot with pizza. Pizza, also.
Okay.
Hey,
I wonder what
chicken
Justice
sandwich.
is.
All right, guys. So these chocolate rolls are done. Now they're going to go in the oven for about 8 minutes also. Just like the sausages at 400 degrees.
And call me back down.
I sure will. Thank you.
Yep. Taco rolls. We got the taco rolls. I want to eat this one.
Eat it. Might be kind of hot still. Let the chocolate burn you. Now we can do the cheese rolls next. I have the cheese cut.
Yep. What cheese land is it?
Happy Farms, also from Aldi.
All right.
We are using Colby Jack, but any cheese of your choice would be good.
Okay.
We're going to do the same thing we did with the chocolate rolls and the sausage rolls. I'm going to roll them up. We're going to leave these as triangles too.
My friends, look at that delicious chocolate.
Bakes up so nice in the oven.
Yep.
Fancy, they eat that in France. Chocolate croissant for breakfast. That's what the
Croissant.
children in France eat. So, they're fancy, and I like to eat them here.
Croissant.
Croissant. find the end. Tricky sometimes. Roll. Separate. There's the cheese.
Sticks. Bread. And bread. And soda. And Star Wars. And stores.
Get the cheese in the big end and roll it down just like we did with the chocolate.
Yep.
Okay. And put them on the pan. Kind of mash them together a little bit so the cheese doesn't all leak out. Good. Yep, like a little pocket.
Like this
Cheese
like
pillow.
Cube.
Yeah. Okay.
You can do the last two.
Alright.
I'd say that's fair, you know?
Uh-huh.
No one did 3. No one... Wait, what?
There's 8 total.
Another cube. Another Ches cube. Do you think cheese sounds better or Ches? Chuck E. Ches or Chuck E. Cheese?
I think Ches might sound more fancy.
Ches. Well, you're alive of
that
your life. Huh?
Not sure what that means.
I'm insane in the mind.
Okay. And then we pop those in the oven for about 8 minutes as well.
Yes. 8 minutes always.
Sorry.
Gotta get a good image. Oranges! So, yeah. See ya in 8 minutes. Okay, it's time to make the chess ball ones. I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay.
Yum. That's really good.
Cheese. Also good.
Yep.
Crescent dough.
The fridge.
Okay. Unroll. Separate. Some years we make our own crescent roll dough, and that's a whole other video, but this year was saving time, and we bought pre-made crescent roll dough.
Alright.
Okay, the cheese balls. Alright. You want to go ahead and do it?
Yeah. 1 cheese ball, 2 cheese ball, 3 cheese ball, 4 cheese ball, 5 cheese ball, 6 cheese ball, 7 cheese ball, 8 cheese ball.
Great. You want me to do the rolling? You're going to do it?
I'm gonna do 1.
Okay. Great. And then put them on the pan. Great.
Yep.
Oh yes, those are all left over now.
Yep.
We have the rest of the cheese balls.
So they are delicious.
Can't believe they lasted this long. Those are from Halloween.
Yeah. Like a month.
Yeah, almost exactly.
From our Halloween party video. Remember that video?
Mimi.
Yep. The epic peanut butter M&M yellow fail.
All right.
Epic fail.
Now, how long do you think they bake for?
8 minutes?
That's absolutely correct. Good job.
Can I set it?
Yeah.
Isn't it this one?
Yep.
Wait till that hits 8.
Yep.
Nope.
Down arrow.
Down.
Yep.
Bake?
Oh, it's already on bake.
Okay.
Perfect. 8 minutes. Let's go. Great.
Yep.
Thank you.
The chess ball rolls are done! Want to see all the rolls in one? Let's get one chess ball. Okay. Now, let's put all of these on this plate. We have the cheese ball. We have a piggy in a blanket. We have another piggy in the blanket. Is this one chocolate? Nope. Why are these all pigs in a blanket? Mom, are all of these pigs in a blanket in that one?
What?
Are all those pigs in a blanket?
Yeah.
So they can't find... Oh. Is this a chocolate?
That's a chocolate.
And this is a
cheese. And this is a cheese ball.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. We found the other two. Now let's see which one's better. We got one of these. Really good. Okay, I almost choked. Now let's try the cheese ball one I haven't tried. Mainly air. Least favorite. Now let's try the cheesy. Delicious. The camera's a bit weird. Cheese, good. Now let's try the chocolate. Also really good. I think the cheese is the best one. I think the cheese is the best. So yeah, that's the video. And gonna make you at home. Do you want to say bye?
Bye. Thanks for joining us.
Like and subscribe.